Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Neutralyze brand, their moderate to severe acne treatment kit 2.0. It's a maximum strength acne kit, 2% salicylic acid, Mandelic acid, and nitrogen boost skincare technology. This is a 90-day supply we use for teens and adults. Has a 5 ounces of face wash, clearing serum 1.5 ounce, and a Synergyzer 1.5 ounces. This gets excellent ratings on Amazon. People really seem to love this product. And this uses advanced science-inspired medication to bring your skin back to a neutral state of clear, calm, even tone, glowing health. So there's some patents on this product, so it is totally unique. It was featured on several magazines. I'll show a slide of that. This is been shown to really improve acne. Now, I have acne. I'm 64 years old and I still get acne. I don't know why, but I'm going to give this a try and see how it does for me. And I'm showing you the acne I have, and I'm going to see how this improves that. So this has been proven to be 95% effective for moderate to severe acne. It's all medical grade components in here, and again, 90 days supply. And what's unique is that nitrogen boost skincare that it has. So this is really good for acne marks, other skin conditions, eczema, dermatitis, keratosis pilaris, all these fancy words, dark spots on your face. It'll help with that too. So this company also has a love it or let us know. It's a family-owned business. Your satisfaction is their guarantee. It's dermatologist recommended treatment, and they want to know how it works for you. And it's 100% cruelty-free, never tested on animals, no parabens or sulfates in here. Now this is a 3-part system, and we're going to be going over the nicely written instruction booklet right here. Let's just go over that real quick. So you can see the first step is the Neutralizer face wash, then Neutralizer clearing serum, then the Neutralizer Synergyzer. So we're going to be trying all 3 of those steps. I'm going to try for the first time tonight, and we're going to see how it does. So I used it for 3 days, and I can feel the difference in my face, my skin, and it's starting to reduce the acne on my face. And it also works. I get really bad acne on my earlobes, which is really weird, and it's improving that too. And of course, you could use this anywhere you get acne, even on your head, other parts of your body, but I just concentrate on my face and my ears, and it works. It's not hard to do. It's 3 steps. So I would wait 2 minutes between the second and third step like they recommended. And I would do it before I would go to bed, and wake up with a softer face. And I mean, you could after you cleanse the first cleanser, you could just feel it on your face. It's really clean the pores. It's unusual. It's not like when you use soap, which could keep them a little clogged. You could feel that it actually cleans your pores really well. So I'm impressed. I think you should give it a try. It works really well. So after testing, what do I think about the Neutralyze brand, their moderate to severe acne treatment kit 2.0? Well, as you can see, before and after, this really helped my acne, which has been a problem for years. This is a great product. It really works. I love the packaging. I love the simple instructions. Very simple to do. So now I have something I can do every night to keep my face clear. So this is a good product. You'll be impressed. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.